Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another video. I hope your weekend is starting out well. We are outside of Walmart to do some rebate shopping today. It's been a little bit since we've been to Walmart, and I've been a little MIA again this week. But if you caught my CVS video, you guys know that I mentioned we're working hard on a project that I will share soon enough in time, and that consumes most of my days. These days, I should say. So I just get out and about when I can. But we made it to Walmart on a Friday. I don't know if I'll have it up Friday, maybe Saturday. I'm going to try to aim for today when I'm filming this on Friday, because it's only 9 a.m. We just got done shopping. We were early birds this morning. So I have a Weekend Warrior for $1 for 10 offers. I did 3 of those offers over at Walgreens yesterday. Those won't count towards, anything in this video. That was just something separate. If you want to see the breakdowns for that, though, I did it completely all digital, curbside. I posted on my community tab here and on my Instagram using a spend 20 get $5 Walgreens cash digital booster. Got 3 pain relief products for 89 cents a piece. I think that's great, and it knocked out 3 Ibotta rebates. So I only need 7 offers today to get back $1. And we all, I think, pretty much got this shooting star bonus. Yesterday when I opened up my Ibotta app on Thursday, it asked me to do a little crossword, a little riddle sort of thing. It says something that, lights up in the night sky. He just dumped out all of his toys. Do you see that? He has a little box back there, and I keep a bunch of little knick-knack toys, and he just dumps it all on himself. I don't know. So anywho, it was like a little riddle asking, what lights up in the night sky. You just do the crossword and guess star, and then it just gives you like a little customized bonus. And mine was $7 for 24 offers, which is super, super reasonable. Like I said, I did 3 of those at Walgreens yesterday. I'm doing at least 7 or 8 today. 7 for sure to complete my Weekend Warrior, which will leave me with, an attainable amount of rebates to get next week to complete that $7 bonus. My husband's, I also want to do his, because his is only 10 offers for $5. So I'm probably going to knock that out next week. But anywho, that's what I'm working with. Let me know if you got anything. If you're new to Ibotta, I do have my referral link down in the description box. You guys can go ahead and sign up with that to get a $10 bonus. All the rebate apps I mentioned today also are linked in my description box as well. I believe we're using Fetch Rewards, Brandclub, Shopkick, and Checkout 51. So, and of course Ibotta. So we're gonna go ahead and waste no time, get into Walmart. If you are new and just found my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you're here to coupon and shop with me and Colt Boy today. Please be sure to consider subscribing if you would like, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another upload. Let's go inside and see what we can grab. First thing I was looking for in the store was either the Shameless Pet Treats that are buy one get one through Ibotta. They didn't have those, so my backup plan was to get the Artisan Dog Treats. If you cannot tell already, my dog is running low on dog treats, so I wanted to see if I could get some through Ibotta. They didn't even have the Artisan Dog Treats in stock either, but I will pop those rebates up here on the screen if your store happens to carry them, and if you're in need of those products, then definitely go ahead and get them through Ibotta. We actually have several rebates through Ibotta for different kinds of juices, whether it be frozen or shelf-stable juices. This scenario just works best for me through Brandclub. So I already buy the Mott's toddler juice for my son. They are priced at $3.28. I have a survey I can complete on Brandclub for $2.25 back, and a rebate on Ibotta for 10 cents back on any juice. That would make the final cost just 93 cents, something I buy weekly anyways. And like I said, there is other juice offers on Ibotta, so you could stack one of those offers with the any juice rebate and knock out 2. However, like I said, it just makes the most sense to me to go ahead and grab something that I already buy. I do want to note, if you're following the same sort of scenario I am, if you have the same Brandclub offer, that fruit punch variety does not attach to the 10 cent any juice on Ibotta, so I stuck with the apple. But other than that, we have a hyped up little man ready to get his juice refill. So the next deal I'm going to do is on some 6-packs of the Coke Minis. This is also something I'd buy anyways. I've been on a big Coke binger lately. So these are $3.62 at my store. I have to film over here because the Coke guy was stocking in that aisle. I will pay that out of pocket. I have a survey I can complete on Brandclub for $2.25 back. I also thought there was a $1 offer on checkout 51. I did not notice until I got home and scanned and submitted my receipts that that was for the 10-pack variety. And you can clearly see that in the rebate on the screen. I just did not pay attention. So had I got the dollar back, it would have made it 37 cents. Without that dollar, it makes it $1.37, but I still think that's pretty good for something I'd buy anyways. And you will see later on in the video, I will have to correct my final number math at the end of the video, so just pay attention to the screen. My final numbers is just $1 off, but yeah. Another drink I have to film over here because, again, they were stocking in that aisle is the Schweppes Ginger Ale. I got the 2-liter bottle, I believe, $1.25 out of pocket. We'll get back 50 cents on Ibotta, plus a 10-cent any ginger ale offer is attaching, so knocks out 2 rebates, making it just 65 cents. I don't personally like ginger ale, but I have a family member I can give this to, so not a complete waste. Just come to the conclusion, if you go to Walmart before 8 a.m. or by 8 a.m., they're stocking everywhere and it's just a mess. So Sargento Creamery shredded cheese. Make sure you're grabbing the creamery variety. It is $3.24. I will pay that at the register today. Submit to Ibotta for $1 back. I also have a survey I can do on Brandclub for $2.25 back, making it completely free. Just remember with Brandclub offers, I know sometimes it can get confusing. You want to make sure you're filling out surveys that are at or under the amount of the products. So for example, this Sargento is $3.24. I have this survey for $2.25 back, it should go through perfectly fine. Now, say that the Sargento was on clearance for like $1.25, you're not going to get the $2.25 back. It has to be equal to the amount or lesser than the amount of the product in order to get the cash back. I'm going to kill 2 birds with 1 stone in this scenario. So I'm going to grab one of these Kraft Deluxe mac and cheese and then one of those Velveeta box of shells and cheese as well. They are $3.43 each in my store. I have this $1.50 off a 2 coupon I will use on that. So that would leave me to pay $5.36 for both at the register. We'll get back 50 cents for each product. They are separate rebates. That's why we're killing 2 birds with 1 stone here. And then I will submit the checkout 51 for $1.50 back when you purchase 2, making the final cost $2.86 for both or $1.43 each. Definitely a great price for these, and it knocks out so many rebates. Last night when I was planning my haul, I was going through the Walmart website, and sometimes the product images have the barcode on it. So what I'll do is pull up the Ibotta app, scan the barcode to see if it attaches to the rebate. And I found Lipton tea that was $2.48 on Walmart's website. It attached to this 50-cent rebate on Ibotta. And then I get in store and none of those Lipton teas, not even the $6 box, $4 box, none of them are attaching that 50-cent rebate that I have. Now, if I could pick up a box that was $2.48, getting back the 50 cent I bought a rebate, I'd also get back $1 from 50 cents from checkout 51, I'm sorry, and $2.25 from doing a Brandclub survey on Lipton. It would make it a 77-cent moneymaker, and that's something I use all the time to make sweet tea, but I don't know why that rebate was not attaching to anything. It was so strange. Check your Fetch Rewards accounts because I had 100% back when I bought any of these 4-count Temptations cat foods. They're $2.63, so I'll pay that at the register. Submit to Fetch for 100% back, so $2.63, making it completely free. I don't have cats, but I know somebody that has cats that will enjoy this. Moving right along to some Shopkick bundles, we're going to do a bundle on the Act mouthwash. I'm going to grab one of these adult ones at $4.12 and then one of the kid ones at $4.48. So we have separate coupons, $1 off of the adult mouthwash and $1 off of the kids mouthwash. That would leave you to pay $6.60 at the register. We're going to go ahead and get 1,400 bundle purchase kicks. So that is the equivalent of $5.60. You'll also get back 15 scan kicks for each one. I just didn't factor that in because normally I'm not too good about scanning, but I did remember today. Anywho, 1,400 kicks is the equivalent of $5.60, which would make the final cost $1 for both or 50 cents each. Definitely not a bad deal. Last Shopkick bundle is going to be on some Old Spice products. So this is one of those scenarios where you want to scan the bigger products to get the scan kicks if those are important to you. This particular bundle does not have any size requirements, so we can go ahead and get away with getting the travel trial size products. I'm going to grab one of these Old Spice body washes found in the travel trial section for $1.56, and then the same deodorant at 97 cents, which would total me $2.53. I pay at the register. We'll get back 1,125 purchase kicks, which is the equivalent of $4.50, making it a $1.97 moneymaker. If those scan kicks are important to you, like I said, just make sure you go ahead and scan a full-size deodorant and full-size body wash. It's been a hot minute since my clearance section had any cosmetics in it, but I did find this Covergirl lipstick on clearance for $2. We do have an offer on the coupons.com app for a $2 reimbursement. We also have printable versions and insert versions if you want to go ahead and grab that. Initially, I was going to, but then you will see I found something that it just made more logical sense for me to grab. So I found this Covergirl Exhibitionist lip gloss clearance to $5.40. I even scanned it in the Walmart app to see if it would ring up cheaper by chance. It was $5.40. We do have $2 back that works on the coupons app for reimbursement. I don't normally carry my paper coupons and inserts into Walmart with me, so I will submit to that. And then on Ibotta, $2 back. So that's another rebate towards my bonuses I'm working on. Makes it a final cost of $147. I probably wouldn't pay for it, but like I said, it's helping me reach my bonuses a lot quicker by finding this and grabbing it. And holy moly, mother load of dishes and kitchenware in my clearance section. I'm a sucker for some good Pioneer Woman. Those plates were just really standing out to me. The marble plates, oh my gosh. I just could not get over all the clearance kitchenware. So definitely check your stores and see if yours, maybe clearanced out. I'd love to see, what kind of clearance your stores have. I know they vary by store. But that is everything I am grabbing today in this small but mighty haul. Like I said, just pay attention towards the end because that checkout 51 rebate didn't work for me, so my numbers will be a little bit higher, $1 higher final cost, but that is still okay. So we're going to use those 3 paper coupons that we already went over. Hopefully no issues. We will go ahead and check out and then meet back in the car to discuss numbers, final cost, transaction details. I was trying to get the big guy to wave goodbye to the camera. He recently learned how to do that, but he'd rather rat me out and show everybody that mom bought herself this huge thing of monsters. All right, so we were out from Walmart and everything went super well. 3 coupons used today and they scanned perfectly, no issues at self-checkout. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop a little picture on the screen of my receipt, but everything rang in exactly as expected from what I'm seeing. And then my coupons, like I said, they came off fine for the Velveeta, the Kraft mac and cheese, and the Act mouthwash products. Subtotal was $33.91. Now the weirdest thing is, so I didn't mention this, but Zardy, you guys have heard me mention Zardy before. Last couple weeks using it. It was a rebate app that was mainly focused towards giving you cash back on great value Walmart brand items, which I buy anyways. They lost their funding, so they have closed shop, and they are encouraging everybody to, cash out for gift cards if you are at an amount in points to cash out for a gift card. I cashed out for my $10 gift card, and it's not working. I tried to use it today. It's a digital gift card. Tried to scan it, and it said it was declined 3 times. So I know I didn't use it. I haven't been to Walmart, so I don't know. Let me know if you're having that issue. Maybe I just did something wrong, but it was kind of funky. It declined. Usually they go through. But anywho, $33.91 is what I paid. Now, in rebates back, we got back a total of $4.70 in just rebates alone on Ibotta. Kind of small today, but I only needed 7 offers, and a few of those were any items. And then I hit my $1 weekend warrior bonus, so $5.70 total from Ibotta. And I believe we only need 14 more to hit the shooting star bonus. I will submit the checkout 51 when I get home because that app is on my other phone for $2.50 back for Velveeta and Coke. And then from Brandclub, I'll go ahead and do those surveys for $6.75 back total. I don't like to do the surveys until after I upload my receipt because the receipt takes up to 5 days to process. So that gives me enough time to do surveys. I believe the max you can do is 3 surveys a day anyways. So I think I only have to do 3 surveys anyways. So I like to do that after I upload my receipt, and it still will count towards that. Like I said, it processes for 5 days. So you can do as many surveys as you can fit in those 5 days before it fully processes your receipt. I will submit to the coupons app when I get home for $2 back as well, because it makes you scan the product and it's in my back seat. I don't feel like grabbing it. From Shopkick, we got a total of 30 scan kicks. I did remember to scan the Act products. However, I did not scan any of the Old Spice products because I just wasn't thinking. And with those Old Spice products, you got to scan the larger sizes, not the travel sizes that I got. They will not qualify for the scan kicks. However, there's no size restriction, so they should qualify for the purchase kicks. So 30 scan kicks there, 10 for walking in, and 2,525 for buying. That comes to 2,565 kicks total, which is the equivalent of $10.26. If you're wondering how to figure out that math, take 2,565 times 0.004, you come up with 10.26. Easiest way I figure out my kicks. And then we got back a total of $2.66 from Fetch Rewards for that Temptations cat food and a couple additional points for Sargento. So everything would have cost around $37.41, which I would have paid mainly for the juice, the Coke, the cheese. I mean, those are things I would buy anyways. Our final cost came to just $4.04 or 33 cents a piece for 12 items. I think that's super well. I mean, coming down from almost 40 bucks to $4 for items that I would probably buy anyways, especially I've been on a big Coke kick lately. He's been, you know, we're doing the whole juice thing, and of course I do half juice, half water because that's just me. So right there, just the Coke and the juice would be over $4. So it's like I got, you know, paid for a juice or a Coke with tax and then got the rest free. So I'm really happy with this haul. I think it turned out well. Let me know if you're going to do any of the same deals, if you're doing any weekend Walmart shopping. And like I said, those referral links to the rebate apps are in my description box. You do get a kickback for pretty much every rebate app mentioned in my description box. That is it for me today. Thank you guys so much for watching and shopping along with us. I will see you in my next video. Bye!